wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Sven! Sven, hello! Sven! Hello? Are you in there? Are you hiding? It's playtime. You don't want to play? Oh. Hi, kids. Wait, hold on. Let me put Kristoff to the side here. Hi, kids. From A to Z, from East to West. I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again. This is a mess, isn't it? I'm looking for Sven. Actually, Kristoff is looking for Sven. And, Kristoff, I don't know where Sven went. Olaf's there. He's finally quiet. But we gotta be careful. He wants to eat. Eat. Maybe he ate Sven. Oh, no. Kids, do you think Olaf ate Sven? You think Olaf hid Sven in there? Yeah, I think so too. So why don't we find him, okay? Birdie, can you move? Birdie, you're not helping. Here, let's push him aside. Birdie, do you know how to fly? No? Okay, well... Surprise? Oh, oops. Birdie just flew off. He just threw off Olaf. Finally, Birdie, good job. Finally, Birdie is doing something good. Okay, so Kristoff, who else do we have? Oh, Mickey. How are you doing, Mickey? Are you doing good? Oh, you want a hug? Oh, I want to hug you too. Do you know where Sven is? No? Then we don't need you. Okay, well, who do we have here? Oh, that's Bunny. Hey, Bunny. Did you see Sven? You didn't... You're sleeping because it's winter and the Easter bunny won't come until spring. Okay, well, then bye. Oops. Who else do we have? Polar Bear. Oh, it's your time, right? You gotta help us. And Penguin, did you see Sven? Hello? Hello? Why is nobody answering me? Kids, do you see Sven? No? Well, because it's your winter time, I'm just going to place you there. Oh, maybe Peppa knows. Oh, no. Oh, Monkey! Monkey! Those are weird monkey sounds. Do you have something in your throat? Okay. Well, you're not helping, so I don't know. But we wanted to ask Peppa. Peppa, do you know? Peppa, you always sleep. What's up with that? Is Sven sleeping?
I can tell you a bedtime story.
You're gonna tell a bedtime story?
Good night.
Good night? Wait, but we haven't found Sven yet. Where's Sven?
It's bedtime.
No, it's not bedtime. Not until we find Sven. I don't see how you find...
How can you find that funny? That's not funny. Sven is very important to all of us here. And you're all not helping! Oh no. Elmo, can you help us at least? Hey Elmo. Oh, you want to give me a hug too? Oh, that's so nice of you. Oh. But, Elmo, where is Sven? Kristoff is going to be very, very sad if I don't find Sven. Right? I mean, Kristoff? I'm sorry, Kristoff, but I think I lost Sven. I don't know where he is. Oh. No, I lost Sven. Oh, Fluffy, I don't want to talk to you right now. No, play with Olivia. No, I don't want to. I can't. You found Sven! You found Sven! Oh, Fluffy, thank you! Thank you, Fluffy! We found Sven! Here's Sven! Woohoo! Oh, this is so exciting! Oh. Oh, no, don't eat him! No, wait, we gotta get all of the other reindeers prepared for Christmas, too. Look, Fluffy, up there. Do you see all of the other reindeers? Sven, those are all of your families there. Look. Yay! We found Sven! Oh, Fluffy, you're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. Oh, you're such a good dog. Oh, you're such a good dog. Okay, now you can go. Now you can go again. I want to play with Sven. Okay, just take Peppa. I don't care. Hey, Sven. Where did you come from? Did you come from Scandinavia? Is that why your name is Sven? What about Kristoff? I've never heard of Kristoff. Is that a Scandinavian name too? But what's Scandinavia? Oh, that's in Europe. Oh, that's in the northern part of Europe? Oh, you're gonna show me? Oh, okay, we'll look at a map. Right there? Oh, there it is. Oh, that's where you're from? Wow. That's pretty amazing. Oh, wait, Kristoff needs to see this too. Kristoff, where did you go? You're hiding. Kristoff, look. Sven is telling me all about where you came from. That's pretty cool. Well, you know what? I think we need to help Elsa and Anna though, because she was talking about this journey and... Oh, do you hear them? You gotta go? Oh, Anna and Elsa, they're calling you? Okay, well, that sounds okay. Well, I think you should go then, right? I'll clean up, don't worry. Now that we found Sven, Kristoff, you can go. Bye. Bye. Elmo, will you play with me now? You want to give me another hug? Okay. Tickle me, Elmo. Tickle me, Elmo. That's so nice. Okay. Well, kids. Oh, Fluffy! Oh, we're group hug! Yay! That's so cool. Well, I think Elmo's trying to say goodbye. Bye, kids! We'll see you next time on Dream Again! Bye! Tickle me, Elmo! Tickle me, Elmo!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!